far, spotted and fast. Through the jungle it runs so fast. K is for kite, flying up high. It dances and plays across the sky. L is for lion, king of the land. It rolls the jungle proud and grand. M is for monkey, singing in cheese. It jumps and plays with so much ease. N is for nest, safe and small. A home for birds, protecting all. O is for orange, juicy and round, full of flavor and sweetness found. P is for carrot, bright and bold. It tops and seems from dawn to cold. Q is for quail, tiny and shy. It runs on the ground, not in the sky. R is for rabbit, hopping with cheer. Its long ears listen to all it can hear. S is for strawberry, tasty and red. Sweet little berries we love to spread. Sing along from A to Z. So many letters, come learn with me.